Good morning, welcome to Hump Day. That's right, it's Wednesday, isn't it, Liam? And what's the date?
1st of March.
The 1st of March already, so what do? Pinch, punch, 1st of the month. And today, Liam's at home, teacher strikes, so he's got online work, he's doing it already, get it done, son.
You've got a printer.
Yes, we have got a printer, but there's no paper in it currently, but I'll get you
You've got
some.
ink.
No, there's ink, there's no paper currently. I'll get you some. Lacey's work's all set when she gets up and ready to go. Liam's finished for now because he hasn't been set no more yet, so until later. But yeah, Soph's getting ready and Chloe's ready. So on the ball today, it's only just about 7:20. Time to go then, Cheryl. How are you today?
Not happy because I have to go to school.
Happy Wednesday? Yeah, but you have to go because you've got exams, haven't you?
Yeah.
Mm.
Not fun.
Good luck though.
I'll probably do bad on it.
Fail to prepare, prepare to fail. That's what it goes like. Here's Thailand. She don't look happy today. I think she's in a mood because she wishes she was off like Liam. But it's not my fault. Your school don't strike. Right, here we go. Oh, hi, Soph. Soph's gone in the back because Rach is here. Rose is in the back there as well. But yeah, I'm going to take Chloe now. Rach is just going to nip into Tesco's where we buy our best clothes. And them three going to school. Well, I'm going to take Chloe. Them two are going to walk us
Not
out.
happy.
It's very quiet though, with these strikes going on. There's hardly any kids about, so at least the school won't be busy, will it?
Oh, and I feel nervous.
You'll be alright. You just do your best. That's all you can do. Shirley.
I can't remember anything.
This one's had some more work through. Maths, you done it? Good girl. Gonna make his mother a drink. All right there, Lace? Staying in pyjamas today? Ah, you can today, don't you? Because you had to come on the school run. I think little Lacey likes Liam at home. He's helped with some schoolwork for her.
Somehow.
He said, how do you do that every day? Anyway, we've cleaned these out. They're happy. That one's not. He wants to eat them.
You want to eat them? Take them on. Come on, can I when I said?
Hello.
Oh, good.
I have to have some paracetamol, guys. I have got a banging headache. Well, saying that, hopefully we've got some stronger stuff than paracetamol, because paracetamol never seemed to do a lot. But yeah, all of a sudden I've got a banging headache. Not good. Feels a bit weird, Lacey Lou not being... She stayed at home with Liam, obviously. It's going fairly quick again today, guys. But yeah, Liam's helped a lot today with Lacey's work, so that's nice. He likes to help. It's because he's got the brains. That's what it is. And he knows he can do things. But he did say to me, he said, oh, because of Lacey, bless her, like, she just forgets things and stuff. She was like, oh, is it like this every day? I was like, yeah. He was like, oh, how do you manage that every day? Yeah, it's the way he said it. Oh, it's starting to rain again. Stay away, rain. Hello. Hello there. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. How's you guys then? Alright? Yeah? I'm sorry the uploads are just everywhere at the minute. I do apologise, but me and Rach both keep saying just don't know what's got into us lately. Just no, I don't know, just not feeling it or anything. Beautiful man. Hey, you don't do do that to Daddy when you just had a nice little cuddle? I've got to go now. Nasty. Nasty boy. Oh, beautiful man. And you, May? Oh, you having a little snuggle down there? Beautiful.
Where's he come from?
It's been snuggling with that cushion. Right, be good and go in. Liam did well today. He only had 2 pieces of work. Was it 3? Yeah. Oh.
Tired.
Yeah. No
Are you
motivation.
going a bit early?
I have to get parked.
That's not normally bad, is it?
It might not be so bad today actually because there's few kids off school, isn't there?
Yeah, I've just checked again, still no work.
Oh, you won't get none now. Bro, you're having a right laugh, aren't you? Hey, typical innit? You know, don't you? You just know because you can hear it. School run, typical. Yeah, this ain't good, bro. They're having a laugh. Look at that lot. Just what a mess. Horrible. Oh yeah, it's not good. Gonna get wet through, bro. Not happy. While I've been sat here, I've actually got my butt into gear and edited a vlog, guys. So that'll be up later on for you lovely folks. Anyway, I thought, oh, hopefully by the time I leave, this rain will stop. Has it? Nah. Gonna get wet, Anna. Drips don't get wet. Well, I can't moan, guys. Got walking to pick Chloe Bow up. Here she is. And it stopped raining. So, can't moan, can I? But it is cold, isn't it? You've got to put your gloves on, haven't you? I was lucky there, guys. The rain stopped. Someone was looking over me and they thought, we're not going to get you wet today, Stevie. Thailand. Good day?
Yeah.
Good. So we're just waiting for Soph. It shouldn't be hopefully too long. What's up?
You got a bit of red noise there.
Yeah, well, it's a bit chilly out there, isn't it? Got dry lips as well. Any more tests today?
Yeah, maths one.
Yeah.
And then you could draw if you're done, but that is at English, yeah? For a big fight, it's our last one. And then if you're done, you can draw. But I was about to draw, but then we had enough like math tests, like just numbers.
Do you think you did it? Don't do that, please. Do you think you did all right?
Yeah, they told us what we got.
Oh, what did you get then? Don't do that.
You have to get to 100 to pass, but I already passed it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Well, I've only got Safe to vlog this afternoon early. Yeah, this afternoon's still in it. It's only just gone full. Vlog Chloe in the car. And Sophie hasn't really got a lot to say. She's already told me it's just been a day of exams. You only had one actual lesson, didn't you?
Yeah.
And what was that, art?
Yeah. But we just revised. We didn't do anything.
Yeah, so you've just been doing... So what exams did you have today?
I had English first, but that was like...
How long did they last?
English was an hour and 45. It didn't start until like 9 something. Like 9, I can't remember.
Did you have dinner after that or break?
No, then it finished at 11, no 7 I think. But then obviously it takes ages to get everyone out and stuff, and they got to collect. So then it was break, and then we had art, and then we had lunch.
You had maths one last?
Yeah, then I had lunch, and then I had maths again. What?
Exam, yeah.
Yeah, I had maths exam, and then...
That was it? Home?
Yeah.
And how do you think you did?
Bad.
Oh, well, you would say that anyway, because you always do.
I'm not good at maths, I can't do it.
Struggle with
English
maths.
wasn't
Same as
that
Lacey.
bad.
There's only Liam really that doesn't seem to find it that difficult.
At the start, I couldn't think of anything for English, but then like when I got going, I was fine. It was kind of...
So, you've had an alright day though?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm tired now.
Quick tea tonight. They have nuggets and wedges. Couple of vlogs done, so that's good, son. Pots washed, Liam's hoovered the kitchen, Lacey's hoovered the living room, Safe's done nothing as usual, Chloe's disappeared.
You're called the Daily Steve, that's your channel, right?
No.
What's it called then?
I changed it again.
What's it
I'm
called?
telling you. You have to search it up. Make sure you subscribe and like.
Oh yes.
Yeah, when I was editing one of the vlogs, actually, the last one, the short one, not very long, the kids came home yesterday and they was complaining that they all felt a bit sicky and ill, but
Why do you keep changing it?
seem alright again today. So.
Why do you keep changing
I don't
it?
know. I did have it the Daily Steve, but I'm not rubbish at
It's not
uploading
very
lately.
daily.
It's not very daily, is it? So
It's just Steve.
it's just Steve. Just Steve now. It's just Steve. It's just me, innit?
Why you got 82 after it? Just Steve 82?
Because it wouldn't let me have just Steve. Said it was taken.
By who?
I don't know.
Who?
Right. We're going to get the lady of the house soon. Me and the lady are having a cheeseburger for tea. Lady's going to cook them for me. Just brushed my teeth. Going up the apples and pears. Kids have been pretty loud tonight. Not naughty or, you know, just loud. But kids, aren't they? Keep burping and all I can taste is onion. Ugh. Because we had a lovely burger me and Rach did for tea. Cheeseburger. Oh, beautiful it was. But I'm regretting it now. Uh-oh, what we got here? You still at it. Told you it's been loud tonight. Yes. Problem? Ow. Yeah, hyperactive tonight. I don't know what you've had.
Food.
Go on, bed.
I'm not tired.
No, I'm not surprised. You seem hypo. Good night.
Good night.
Night, Nate. You can't see the flash from here. Night, Nate. Night, Duck. You watching a film? Love you. Night. Love you. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? It's hot in here though. Yes, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Peace out.